I'm not gonna put it in there. Doesn't matter because it's hard to work that way. It's a matter of interacting with. You know, listen. You don't want to listen.
As I am saying,
she makes the editing so hard.
he wants to do it his way. I'm doing it my way.
It's not a matter of your way. It's a matter of what YouTube want.
It's not what YouTube want. This is how I want to do it.
You are recording the outside and you are talking to the people. Talk to the people. Give them back and forth. And there's a one touch of the button and you're not listening. I wish I could video and drive.
You could. You could let me drive. Hey, look at that. Power to the people. Beautiful. Oh, this is the ice cream shop. And then over there, oh, we should have passed there.
So this is Beacon. She's supposed to tell them thing here now. Talk to them, let them know over there. We actually used to work here for a while. How long you work as a?
Oh, 2 years. I work somewhere in this area, not necessarily here that we're talking about, in the area of Beacon.
Is that right good?
I have to make sure that she's okay road-wise because until... Can you push it? You can push it.
Okay.
There they are. He's taking some pictures using his professional camera. Hi. This location is known as Beacon Fall, and you come here, you relax, you just enjoy. Oh my gosh, it is so far. If you look over, it's actually a bit scary, but it's nice. It's really nice.
So one of the famous spots again, Roundhouse Restaurant. Amazing spot. And if you can see, if we were dining, we would be able to go there and view the falls. But no dining today. We haven't dined since it's so current. But have we been in any restaurants since?
No.
Yeah, we kind of stay out of restaurants because we're paranoid. We just started eating out. But again, this was a wonderful spot that we used to come a lot to just hang out. Even on a Sunday, we have ice cream and we chill out a little bit. So anyways, weekend time, people come up from the city, and so on a Saturday, it's usually packed like this. It's a little bit more difficult to even try to attempt the trail.
Wait guys, I want to show you something. So you see that store that I'm showing you?
Spot.
This is the famous Bob corner store. Yes, when hungry there, when we're there at work, we used to just call Bob, order food and just go pick it up.
And she's trying to go. She's taking the baby on that. Oh, he said it's like a backpack for the baby.
He saw something outside because he was wondering why the lady doing to the baby in the.
Whoa, I see. Whoa, that's some. Whoa, you got.
So you can see that pathway. That's the rail trail that you're.
You would have to have strong feet just to get up.
No,
there.
you can do it.
About to pass my workplace. That's my previous job that I worked for about 2 years. You know.
Well, go on. I saw on the community busy a weekend.
We're community busy.
Beacon, yeah. One amount of people there.
Yeah, well.
Cause we try do some video in the area, so we do little areas. We probably gonna stop by, you know. We're not busy?
Yeah. We're not busy.
Oh, we can stop in the parking lot. Come in.
I look something to eat, I know.
Oh, no cook yet.
Because something.
But I gonna stop by, but I know say no one we open the phone the place. Where the part they go?
You
don't have enough soup?
You
And
can get some, yeah?
everybody?
But when
No, I'm not cook for everybody. So I said, no stress it.
half a share you for everybody.
But don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself.
You can get some, you know?
I can wait until I go
You
home.
can get some more than man.
But we can't eat out that door. We have something could I put in here?
Well, no, no, if you come in the house, then, you don't know.
No, man, I not do that too. No. So yeah, if anything, just bring it downstairs. Me come by and we can turn out the door a little bit with them. You have water? You have no juice and no water?
Yeah, we are juice, yeah.
You can probably bring down a couple something. Me can know me close and they can come down there with it. For now, yeah.
Alright, good.
Yeah. Alright then, look more.
Yeah,
Yeah.
That was the most awkward conversation ever have a bigger people and food, eh?
Yeah, me not go.
I beg people them food. No, I said the conversation. And go, because of COVID, everybody, all your own have to take caution, and that is so good.
See big people them may come out with the food. Watch out, man. Food there, you know. Watch out. I never plan in and watch out.
Plan nothing.
I plan nothing. And look how much food me I get, eh? Watch it. Jeez, God is good. That's mom. That's dad over there. So them give us soup. Them give us soup. Start out with life. Guess I go bust a little more. And mama, she love the soup. Watch her face. Watch her face in there. I soup look that, you know. But that's good when you have family close by, man. Good people. Listen, my parents, good people. Good people. Alright, so we're head home right now. The day wasn't long.
We're not heading home. That's a lie. That's a lie. We're gonna get food.
What make your mask down on your face? She's stuck in a mask all day.
This is because of work.
Catwoman.
Work allow me to wear mask, so I'm just used to it. It's like an outfit.
That's everybody. No, but we're actually gonna head to a spot them called Montego Bay in Poughkeepsie. We're gonna get some food. You see what I say?
Take economics.
Yeah, look rough. No man, get away. Just drive where you want, drive.
We're back home. See, so yeah, he changed. Cause we're gonna eat some food. You want me to show you the food, what it looks like that we're gonna consume?
None of them business today.
No, you say alright. We're not share that because it's not my food. It's not my homemade food. And he always says my food tastes good. So, but because we went on the road and we showed you the beacon as we, so give us your feedback. Remember to like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, comment. Your family, the Lewis family, we will always be here with you through thick and thin. And remember, just practice being safe out there. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, this is, let me zoom in.
Put this now.
This is the nesting doll. We couldn't have showed you guys because what we purchased based on we wanted to make sure that it was clean. So pull it out for them, hubby, let them see. Quick before.
So probably a lot of parts and they can't really get it. Oh, they're not doll.
So you have to cover them. No, you cover them so you don't. Right.
They have different patterns, as you said.
So this one is a family of 5. And we're a family of 4.
Wow, I thought we were a family of 5 for a second, she was going to say.
You really take me for fun, idiot, right? I mean, how much have we been living here?
Mommy, you did it without me.
Exactly.
Chanel is in the bathroom. She went to do her business. So,
alright, let's stop recording. Make sure you do our own non-nesting because it's for her, for real. I think.